Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make everyday tech tasks super simple. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to take a 2x2 passport photo using your iPhone in 2025. Whether you're applying for a visa, updating your ID, or just need a quick headshot, your iPhone has got you covered with its advanced camera features. This method is quick, cost-effective, and ensures your photo meets official standards. Let's jump right in. First things first, prepare your setup. Find a plain, light-colored background like a white wall to meet passport photo requirements. Good lighting is key, so stand near a window or use soft, even lighting to avoid shadows on your face. Now, open your iPhone's camera app. It's the icon with a camera on your home screen. Next, switch to the front-facing camera by tapping the camera flip icon in the top right corner. This is perfect for selfies and ensures you're framing yourself correctly. To get the exact 2x2 dimensions, we need to use the grid feature. Go to Settings, Camera and enable the Grid option if you haven't already. This will help you center your face properly. Position yourself so your face takes up about 70 to 80% of the frame, following the grid lines for alignment. Make sure your expression is neutral, no smiles, and eyes open. Once you're set, tap the shutter button to take the photo. If you're using an iPhone 15 or later, the improved autofocus will make this even easier. After snapping the shot, head over to the Photos app to edit. Open the photo, tap Edit, and use the crop tool to adjust it to a 2x2 square. You can do this by selecting the square aspect ratio. Double-check the dimensions. Aim for 600 by 600 pixels at 300 dpi for print quality. Save your edited photo, and you're almost done. Finally, if you need a physical print, export it to your computer or use a printing service app. Pro tip: always verify the photo against official guidelines from your country's passport office to avoid any issues. There you have it, a professional 2x2 passport photo straight from your iPhone. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.